Hi everybody, it's me, Mr. John. Today we're going to be looking at the experiment Walking Rainbows for Programming at Home Imagination Inc. It's a pretty cool experiment and there's lots of variations. So watch along and have fun. Thanks. Bye. Hey everybody, this is Mr. John, and today we're going to be talking about our Walking Rainbows activity kit. Now, in your kit, you're going to have a marker, some powdered watercolor, 12 test strips, and 3 cups. Now, this project relies on capillary action, and that is the ability of water to travel between fibers even against gravity. So, as you can see, I filled 1 cup up with water, and the other cup is empty. Now, your project is going to be slightly more elaborate, but this is going to show you the basics. On your test strip, you're going to want to draw about an inch and a half solid square. Now you have to be careful because these test strips are fragile, so you have to be very light with your marker. It doesn't take much to get the ink on there. And as you can see, there's a blue end and a blank end. Now we're going to take the blue end and we're going to put it in the water. And then we're going to put the blank end in the other cup. Now, over time, we have to also make sure that this end is fully submerged. There we go. And as you can see, the water's already starting to move. Some of the ink is going into the cup, and some of the water is going up the paper towel. Now, the longer you leave it, the more the water will travel up the paper towel. And after 24 hours, you should have water in the bottom of your cup. Now, for yours, you will be doing an experiment to see if you can get more of the marker ink into the cup or more of the powdered watercolor, which you would put in the other cup, dissolve it, and then do the same thing. This is a great experiment, and you have more than enough test strips that you could try a lot of different things. You could add more cups. You could try things other than water. You could try different colors. I would love to hear all about your experiments. And yeah, so if you have any questions, give us a call. But I'm excited to have you guys all experiment with some walking rainbows. And as you can see, we already have some of the ink traveling up through the paper towel. All right, guys, have fun, stay patient, and I'll see all of your experiments hopefully soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.